Did she hit her jaw? Ooh, wait, damn.
There you go.
Hope you love me as much as I love you. I ain't mean to break your heart, but baby, that's what does.
What's good, DNB fam? This your boy Dang.
And you crazy cousin Britt, what it do?
What it do, fam? You ain't fam, you ain't rich, become part of the fam.
Fam, bam.
Ain't wrong with the fam.
Do it.
Some parts of Nicky Brown about to be on anyway. Alright, so anything we'll say to people, right? So
Nope.
let's do no right to them, baby.
Alright, so this is Hustle and Soul, Cola's best moments.
Alright.
I've never even heard of this show. I haven't. So I think it's a restaurant, like a famous restaurant, like a well-known restaurant. I don't know where. Y'all comment down below, let me know some more information. So let's see.
Hey, babe, you looking good.
Thanks, how are you?
Probably about to be hating.
Person to hide.
I'm Cola Sweet. I'm from Miami. LP said they were in need of somebody with a following who could bring something new to the pink teacup. I'm going to deliver that. So you're here for what role? Bar manager / hostess? I didn't even know Cola was coming in today.
I don't have to tell you everything. I'm the boss.
Just came in. But this is unprofessional. There are customers in here. Listen, I am the manager here, so I stand for I
Damn, she come in the door. They already arguing with that girl. That thing.
That's not hate right there, though,
yeah,
y'all.
they do though. Come on now.
You shouldn't be arguing across the phone. No, as a manager, I should know.
And she right. You shouldn't be arguing while customers there. Come on now, that's not a good look.
Not professional either, y'all.
And then the other lady already been there and looking unprofessional.
That you were supposed to be coming in here before. And that's a discussion you have in private, not. I am having this conversation with him now. I just want to hear what I have to say. Or is she my boss?
Her job.
Customers supposed to get a drink with her honest. Sana was a little bit swamped with her 2 customers.
Not with her 2
I
customers.
decided to help her out by making it myself. Man in the hostess station. Me, I can multitask. Should I step to the side so you can? You can. I can handle it both.
God. I like her.
Okay, I thought you might since you didn't. I think I'm good. And you still gotta figure out what she's gonna drink. Stupid. John is my soulmate. I mean, I would say our situation is deeper than a friends with benefit or a hookup, but we are in an open relationship. So I can switch out of the pink teacup.
They're in an open relationship. That's very interesting.
Interesting, y'all.
What you think about an open relationship, baby?
Sounds great.
Oh, it does?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. No, shit. Okay. I ain't mad. Okay. What's the rules on that, though? That's the thing.
What's the rules there?
Yeah, no, it ain't.
She has some other girl, Sana.
Baby, sure you don't want to try some food? Come on.
Good on that, baby.
It's good.
Good.
Y'all, comment down below if you like the Wingstop corn. That jank is hitting. Y'all want some?
Show them out, man.
It's all seasoned. Come on, baby. Look at the season.
We got some garlic. We got some lemon pepper. What's that? Garlic parmesan?
Yeah, garlic parmesan, lemon pepper, Cajun, and then original hot.
Yeah.
And I gotta have my ranch.
She's a bar manager and don't know how to make drinks.
Though.
She might have.
How you a bar manager and you don't know how to make drinks? How did you even get the job?
Got her position at the top by laying on her back.
What's her got no shit?
Did she just say lay on her back?
Oh, damn, I don't know what's on the back.
I don't know how she's a bar manager and don't know how to make drinks.
Oh, this is her job.
She might have got her position at the top by laying on her back.
Not the click of the glass.
Y'all think about it like this though. How could she get up there if she don't know how to make drinks though? I ain't saying she did that, but the old girl made sense when she said that.
You got to use what you got to get what you want.
Last club, y'all.
I see you.
You okay? You are fine.
Huh? You are fine.
I swear, I can't win for losing. What if John disrespect me by flirting with this girl who he knows I have issues with right in front of my face? I could have slapped them both to the floor.
Right.
But since y'all got an open relationship,
right?
Yeah, but still, you would think he wouldn't do that though. Come on now.
Yeah.
Your skin is glistening, honey. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not my drink. Can I get another one?
Ooh, did she throw it on him all?
Thank you.
So disrespectful.
Just to be clear. Okay. John, it is mine.
Damn, she ain't know you off limits, y'all.
However, wrong person. If you're gonna take everybody to Miami, who's gonna stay here in
Dog.
Brooklyn?
Andy's gonna run Brooklyn.
You got Fanny over here in Brooklyn and Anna over here in Miami.
You have to watch this. It look kind of good.
We're not gonna be looking at the waves through our shades and her and Sana. Yes, Sana, please. Is she? She needs to. Sana can definitely stay behind with Baby. Get her car knowledge up. You want me to go? What else? Excuse me. I'm trying to help you out. You need help.
So,
She's gonna take care of you guys. She seems you know what you're doing. I do know what I'm doing. It's not seems to know.
so
I'm not training. What? Does Sana think that she just gonna stand there and flip that weave back and forth and no one gonna notice you don't know how to fix drinks? I mean, last time I checked, Pretty don't come in a glass served to a customer. I'm not considering nothing. I'm trying to help you out. Okay, stop putting your fingers in my face.
Oh shit.
Party, are you like me? Girl, try it again.
Oh.
What did you like? Nothing. Tired. I'm only tired about
You're acting crazy.
Damn. You going places, man?
This is the worst dinner party I have ever been to. The investors are leaving. I'm leaving. Anybody with sense needs to head for the door now before they get hit with a plate.
Sound like the mess. My bad.
Did you just tap my butt?
Oh, no.
I feel like that's what happened. Thank you, Steph. John is a very charming guy, which is why he's such a smooth operator behind the bar, but he best keep our relationship rules in mind because I am just 5 feet away.
I'm single right now.
Two can play that game. Let's see how much he like it when the roles are reversed.
We good?
Huh.
I want to make sure we're good.
Oh, I think you lost some. Let me come make sure you're familiarized back here. I'll familiarize him all right on professionalism while your woman is present.
I've been waiting for this cola special.
I got you.
what?
You
No.
really touched it.
You not see a bar flick us? Sorry.
Don't get
No, she laughed right there. I don't know about that.
touching him right now.
Let me talk to you. So I'm your supervisor. Remember that?
Your job is at
But
that stand
I'm
right there.
no.
Don't
My
do
job
supervisor.
here is there because I'm the bar manager.
Let's go. Hey, go.
Considering me and John haven't really been on the best page lately, I was like, let me mix it up a little bit.
She a trip.
Where you trying to go?
Let's go outside.
All right.
You know, we good.
I'm out.
You never know what could happen.
You can
What?
see that there was chemistry between
Nothing.
me and Seven. I'm not going to deny that because I would never lie to you and I would never insult your intelligence. But in being transparent, yeah, I hooked up with him.
They did it.
They're sleeping without me. She asked me if she could pay me to watch her and Lawrence.
What the hell?
I don't even know who
think
these
Candace
people
likes to
is.
stir the pot, be the center of attention. But from my own experience at the Pink Teacups, it's a very complicated place to have a relationship.
The lights not cool a bit though.
Yeah, dude. Damn, yeah.
See, y'all want to party without me. Why is Sandy's ass here again, ruining our good time? Is that her thing? The pop-up queen? I know how to shut
She
her ass
funny.
down quick.
Look, don't mention that.
What?
Damn.
You just spoil it. Don't push her down in the pool. Don't do no shit like that.
I know that it's been a bunch of rumors flying around the restaurant, but everything can't be a lie.
Ain't no trip. Go back to Brooklyn. Take your ass back.
Why did I don't like that?
Been here before you, bitch.
And I'll be here long after you.
Oh, that's that manager.
Oh shit.
Ooh, did she get her job?
And I'll be here long after you.
Shit, bust that head.
Really, y'all fighting in the pool?
Oh shit.
That's not good. You end up drowning each other. What? Now this
Oh
nigga
shit, they
fighting.
never fight.
Repeat a rumor that I assume that everybody knows already.
Shit might be lit though, fam.
They need to wild out and go.
I don't don't like them Cajun ones like that.
I really hope that Thandy's coming over here with a lot more sense than what she had in Miami.
Ooh.
Let me tell you something. I'm ready this time, sis. I did not think that as an adult, and you're an adult, that me repeating a rumor that's been ongoing, in all fairness, I didn't think that was going to warrant somebody putting their hands on me.
It's because it's you.
She wanted me to let you know that you are no longer welcome back there. She came in, you know, popping off, doing her thing, and you said, that's why you... And I said, I get an Instagram notification of a picture of John in the middle of a sauna and Candace sandwich. I cannot believe this. Like, why would you...
He looked like he was enjoying himself.
Hello? John is blowing up my phone. No, they're coming down out of the elevator. I want to see. I can't believe John popped his ass up to the fashion show like this.
Holy shit.
Oh my God, like, he knows who all was here. Like, what is he trying to do?
You haven't always been friendliest.
I'm friendly when I feel friendly, and I'm on attack mode when I feel like I need to be on attack mode. Is this the new triad? Because, I mean, I feel very much so on the out. After a picture came to my phone that had me feeling away because I thought you and I were cool. I thought you and I were cool. It's not just a selfie, y'all kissing in his face. Let me just be clear. It's kind of tough to make a decision of whether I'm on team my man and his socks or...
Oh, shit.
That's what it looked like to me. Sitting down, bitch.
Damn.
Sitting on your hands and knees with your mouth open, sis. There's some drama behind in New York. What kind of drama? Man drama. It was hard to leave John behind in New York, but it was a no-brainer. I'm from Miami. I know everybody in this town. So the pink teacup needs me just as much as I need it. Good luck with that. Good luck. What you mean by good luck? I was just saying good luck. It seems like you struggle a bit with not flirting. You know what? She probably had you. Absolutely not. But I'm sure that's how you think, though. No, you got it. No, that's just you. That's how you operate. I don't move like that. It's clear.
Hey, I need to start screwing it up.
Okay, no, I don't have to screw nobody. That's just the way you think. Like, this is really what you doing. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't know. The last time we came to Miami, Lawrence got us a nice house as well. It could be amazing and form very strong bonds, or we could all kill each other and burn the house down. You know, we'll see how it goes.
Y'all gonna have to judge me today.
The twins are not gonna stuff your G-string with dollars. Stop spitting in my face. There's nothing you can teach me. Not one thing. I want to out of my face. She felt like she could try with me, but I'm not the one, honey.
Not the one or the two.
I don't know her. I don't know why she thinks I called her a prostitute, but I could care less what she does with her vagina. It's hers.
It's hers.
This fight is out of control. This isn't a fight. This is a brawl. I'm really starting to feel like Anna and her girl gang just have it out for me and my friends and anybody that's attached to me.
Because we don't know who none of these people is.
I should have listened to you. Honestly, like, it's been nothing but drama since I got there. You were right. Like, I know that I'm gonna be next. You know I quit.
You quit?
Yes, I quit. They jumped my friends, and John doesn't think that it's the safest idea for me to go back there. I'm good.
Anna says she fired.
Last time I checked, I decided not to show up, and that means I quit. I do want to start a family, you know?
Let me ask you something. Are you okay knowing that I'm with someone else?
All of a sudden he drops this bomb on me. I never thought that I would have to compete for his attention. You do what you want to do, regardless of how it affects people around you. It's not fair. And it's not just that, and I just gotta act like I'm fine every time. I gotta act like nothing was ever said, like everything okay, and it's not. This new bitch that he's dating, she need to watch out. Eric, your roommate? He's sleeping with his roommate?
Whoa.
You raising your eyebrow like, what's this face?
I don't think you have his best interest at all. You feel me?
And what do you know about his best interest?
Also,
I've been there.
wait, so He's bisexual now. She over there arguing with another man about what this man's best interest is. Well, I'm gonna just let you have him.
In ways you've never been there for him. It seemed like I'm being X out of the equation at some point, and I'm just gonna
go out there and see what options you have without.
He want to be with that man more than her.
Say that.
That's all that
What you need?
And he done found what he need, what he really like.
No one has ever loved and respected me and supported me the way that he had. I need to put myself first. So, okay, I lost my man, I cried it out, and now I need to get back to this money. I'm going back up in the pink teacup and I'm getting my job back. You're my boss?
No.
I didn't realize you signed my check.
No, I'm not your boss, but I was hearing you wasn't, so get to
and I'm back now. And I'm back now, girl. Jesus, give me strength. I'm a changed woman.
You came back here with the same dumbass.
Well, first of all, the person with the attitude is you. I'm fine. I got anger issues. Well, you know, good luck with that. I agree that you have anger issues.
Now who won?
Draco made the martini, and I made the cocktail.
Cola, you won that one.
Feels good to win this cocktail competition, but like girls, lose with class. It's okay.
Let me see this trashy drink.
Oh, trashy. You would know a thing or two.
Cola, I need you to be the bar manager and the lead.
Draco, you need to lose with grace.
You don't know.
I talk to staff in here. We're a family, and you need to. You are not me.
I will never be you.
You will never be me.
Exactly.
Absolutely right.
You know.
Get that hand out my face. Don't touch me.
People come here.
Don't touch me.
You know, guys, don't.
Don't wake up the old cola.
Wake up. I'm gonna see it.
I don't know what Anna's thinking. I mean, Anna, did you not learn the first time she tried to take your restaurant and your man? Cheers to nobody killing anybody.
He cut her hair.
You like what you see?
I don't like what I see. I love what I see.
Okay, I like that. A girl does like to switch it up, so.
No, since she took the wig off.
I don't want to get ahead of myself or anything, but hey, Alvin. Bye, John John. Of course, a man that's married gonna send you some bum-ass red roses. Ain't the bum is here. I'm gonna let y'all talk because I don't want to slap nobody.
Ooh, bitch, don't slap her.
I might throw this delicious ass wine in his face.
Don't waste the wine, sis.
No. Get your bum ass out of here. No. She gave you the courtesy of hearing what your stupid bum married ass had to say. Get your ass out of here.
She married and on TV? No.
What's up?
You ain't on TV. She
He's brave with it too.
You was a married ass man.
Whoa.
No. You didn't treat her like no queen. I've had it up to here with tired ass, confused ass, lying ass, selfish ass, take them what they want ass men.
Damn.
No, girl, I got warrants. I can't go up in there.
You got
I cannot go
warrants.
inside with my girl Nikki because I have warrants. Possibly.
What?
Maybe. I don't know. I've done
So
a
you
lot
on
of
the
things.
run?
How is it fair to me to play a woman in his life that I'm not anymore? He chose to be with you, so why don't you have enough to convince him to get the help that he needs? You think I want to sit up here and hear how you want to spend the rest of your life with him and I'm just X out of the equation? You think that's easy for me to hear? You can't think that, because you're not stupid. You asked me a question, I'm answering it. It's evident that Thady doesn't like me. Thady has never liked me. She's jealous of the fact that I'm way more efficient in any position in the restaurant that she could ever be in. The only position she's efficient in is on her knees. And I feel like the decision to bring you from Brooklyn was trash.
We are here to work together. We're gonna work together.
I love your optimism, because right now she's working my nerves. I feel like you are
Doing
trying
my
to
job.
antagonize me.
Doing my job.
You feel like you could come and bulldoze everybody around you. You come into the room and it's like the energy completely changes.
You used to
You're entitled to your opinion, but Lord knows you're
My
the
opinion
queen of
matters
making
more
good
than yours,
decisions.
not-
You've been had a problem with me since I got to the pink
Because I feel like you a snake. That's why.
That's exactly
You
how
a
I feel about you.
snake.
Anna, watch
You
your
a
back, girl.
snake. I
Because
have
you know
problems
people
with
Anna, watch your back,
yours.
Let's not go there, Cola, because you talk a lot of
I don't talk crap.
Ooh, wait, damn.
There you go.
Them lemon pepper ones is like the best one.
That's what God. Damn, Wingstop, y'all let me down this time.
Yeah.
And it's like the energy completely changes.
you used to look
You've been had a problem with me since I got to the pink
Because I feel like you a snake. That's why.
That's exactly
You
how
a
I feel about you.
snake.
Anna, watch
You
your
a
back, girl.
snake. I
Because
have
you know
problems
people
Anna over there rolling her eyes.
Let's not go there, Cola, because
because you talk a lot of
I don't talk about you or about the restaurant. I've never talked about the restaurant. No. Whatever you think. Never have.
What?
Oh, they jumping her. Damn.
That's some hating. I don't care. That's hating. I don't really know.
Why she wait till old girl do something when she jump with
Yeah, I can't say because I didn't watch the show, so I don't know why everybody mad at each other. But off the rip, I mean, come on.
That shit weak though.
I don't understand why.
Because she was gonna pop it up for that girl. She was trying to like go at the old girl right there, and then
she wasn't going at the one with the half ponytail.
That's what I'm saying. She was going to old girl.
I know they're intimidating, but I mean,
they knocked it down weird off.
Really? I mean, because all you did was show me how weak you both really are.
Especially when she was talking to the first time. You know what I'm saying? You gonna wait till old girl jump her to do something, you go over to get your licks in.
That's crazy.
I didn't get into a fight. I had two bum bitches jump on me.
Exactly.
Very different things.
That is very different.
On that host want to jump somebody. Y'all try to jump me and look at me. I still look good. Don't direct your anger at me. I'm not. You got the right one over here. So I'm back in Brooklyn, and here I am running to John, but I need to make sure that John is good since he's finally coming out to his mom. How is that fair to her?
I wonder what they just
thinking where I never chose.
But you can't sit here and say that you're not choosing when you are. When this is your home that you built with someone that's not me, and now it's time for me to find my life. I deserve to have what you are clearly building. John keeps going back and forth like he did not choose Eric over me. Like, enough is enough already. We're not gonna do this. We don't gonna fight no more. You made that choice. We're not no more. Not doing that. I'm gonna make the choice, okay? I want you to be happy, but I need to focus on me. That's it.
I thought that been established.
As much as I love John, I have to choose me. I cannot be second. And I will choose me and put me first and focus on me and my growth and my life from now until forever.
Well, all right, girlfriend. You choose you, boo. I agree. That was crazy though.
So the show called Hustle and Soul?
No, not Hustle and what is it called? Yeah, Hustle and Soul.
Hustle and Soul, okay.
I feel like we just got a big old summary though, like that was crazy.
We ain't really what's going on.
Nah, we ain't never seen that. It looked pretty entertaining though.
Y'all let us know more about it in the comments. And if y'all like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure the push button be on. Alright. So anything else?
If you guys want to check out this video, the link is down below. Also check out our Instagram, the link is down below.
Do that and your boy gonna follow you back until next time.
I ain't no killer, don't push me. I see how you niggas be looking. I hope you don't think you no bully. I'm living.